Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 math. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter angles. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 4 math. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is chapter we're on right now is angles. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is acute, right, obtuse and straight angles. Is the angle acute, right, obtuse or straight? So let's just look at the angle, right? The angle that measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, the angle is an obtuse angle, right? Because the given angle is more than 90 but less than 180 degree, that means the angle is an obtuse angle. Got it? Okay, let's look at the next example. Is this angle acute, right, obtuse or straight? So which is the correct option? The angle measures more than 90 but less than 180 degrees, right? So that is obtuse angle. Let's just start with the test questions. Is the acute, right, obtuse or straight? So which is the correct option? Straight it is, right? You can see that is a straight line. So straight means that is 180 degrees, exactly 180 degrees. So option number 2 is the correct option. Is this angle acute, right, obtuse or straight? Which is the correct option? Is this angle acute, right, obtuse or straight? So which is the correct option? The angle is more than 90 degrees, right? Yes, that is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, right? So that is obtuse angle, it is, right? So the correct option is yes, obtuse it is. Option number 2 is the Correct option. Very good. Is this angle acute, right, obtuse, or straight? So, which is the correct option? That is, yes, again, that is an obtuse angle. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Is this angle acute, right, obtuse, or straight? Which is the correct option? The correct option is acute angle, that is less than 90 degrees. So, that is acute angle. Option number one is the correct option. It is this angle acute, right, obtuse, or straight? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is no, this is not the right angle. This is the acute angle, that is less than 90, right? This is not the right angle. Is this angle acute, right, or obtuse, or straight? Which is the correct option? That is obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees. So, that is obtuse angle. Is this angle acute, obtuse, or straight? That is acute angle. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is angles of 90, 180, 270, and 360 degrees. What is the measurement of this angle? This is a straight angle, right? And straight angle measures 180 degrees. Just look at the next example. What is the measurement of this angle? You can see here this angle represents 270 degrees, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What fraction of a what fraction of a turn in this angle? Which is the correct option? That is 1/4 turn, right? The correct option is 1 by 4. 90 degrees 1/4 turn, 180 degrees half turn, 270 degrees 3/4 turn, and 360 is one complete turn. Yes, that is 1/4. No, no, 1/4 turn. It is not half. The angles are from 0 to, let me just explain. Just look at the board, right? Here it is, right? This is the angle. Start from here to here. That is from 0 to 90 degrees. That is 1 by 4th turn, right? Then from 90 degrees to 140 degrees, complete from 0 to 180 is half turn, right? Then from 180 to 270, that is 3/4 turn. And 270 to 1, that is complete one turn, right? So now let's just do the questions. What is the measurement of this angle? Which is the correct option? That is 180 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. 180 degrees it is. What fraction of a turn is this angle? Which is the correct option? That is half turn, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. That is half turn. What is the measurement of this angle? Which is the correct option? That is 90 degrees, right? Exactly 90. Option number 1 is the correct option. What fraction of a turn is this angle? Which is the correct option? 3/4 turn it is, right? Option number one is the correct option, that is 3/4 turn. What is the measurement of this angle, which is the correct option? That is 360 degrees, right? That's a complete turn. So that is 360 degrees. Option number two is the correct option. What fraction of a turn is this angle, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 3/4 turn, right? Option number two is the correct option. Okay, the next one is, what is the measurement of this angle, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 270 degrees, right? You have to see this one, this round. That's a cup three. The round covers three sides, so that is 270 degrees. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is measure angles with a protector. So here is the protector, right? The protector have the angles starting from this side, right? From 0 to 90, right? If you look at the outer side, that is from 0 to 90, and when they are getting there after from 90 to, they are starting until 180, right? And on the inner side, you have from 0 to 100. That means you can measure both ways, the inner one or the outer one, right? So for this one, you can see the one of the line is aligned with 0. So that is the other is aligned with 90. So that means the angle measures 90 degrees. That is a right angle. Let's just start with the test questions. Is this angle acute, right, or obtuse? Okay, just look at the angle, right? One of the line is aligned with 0 on this side, right? So you need to count the inner one, 0, 10, and 20. The other line is aligned with 20. 20 is less than 90 degrees. So that is an acute angle. The correct option is acute. Yes, that is more than 90 degrees. So obtuse angle it is, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Is this angle acute, right, or obtuse? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Right angle it is. Very good. The correct option is right. Okay, is this angle acute, right, or obtuse? Which is the correct option? That is acute angle. Less than 90 degrees, so acute angle it is. Is this angle acute, right, or obtuse? Which is the correct option? That is more than 90 degrees, so that is an obtuse angle. The correct option is option number one, obtuse angle it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is estimate angle measurement. What is the measure of this angle? So you need to estimate, right? So just look at the angle that is between 0 and 90. Just make a 90-degree angle, right? Like this. Sorry. So this angle is close to 90 degrees, not 0, right? Then that means this is the 60-degree angles. You need to estimate. So you can estimate like this, right? Just look at this one. This is the right angle. And the line is exactly the half of the 90 degrees. So half of the 90 degree is 45 degrees. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the measure of this angle? Choose the best estimate, which is the correct option. That is 45 degrees, right? The correct option is option number one. 45 degrees it is. What is the measure of this angle? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 30 degrees, right? Sorry, 60 degrees. That is close to 90 degrees, so that is 60 degrees. The correct option is 60. What is the measurement of this angle? Which is the correct option? 90 degree it is, right? That is a right angle triangle. 90 degree it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next one, that is adjacent angles. So adjacent means the one that is right next to you, right? What is the value of Q? So you can see you are given two of the angles. One is 30 and one is 50. You need to find the value of Q. Q is the sum of 30 degree and 50 degree, right? So Q equals 30 plus 50, that is 80 degrees, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the value of R? Which is the correct option? that is 70 degrees. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we are working on is angles. The lessons we have covered today are acute, right, obtuse, and straight angles, right? Angles of 90, 180, 270, and 360 degrees. Measure angles with protractor. Estimate angle, measure and adjacent angles. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.